It's always a pleasure in the Parliament to have people, to have visitors over from Wales to show them how everything works and how we work in the office with the team. And it's been great this week to have Lewis Rees here from Maesteg, which is my kind of area in the valleys. He's been with us all the week. Lewis is studying in London. Tell us a bit about what you're doing and why you've come to Brussels.
Yeah. Well, I study modern languages at University College London, and obviously the European Union is a big issue, especially nowadays in the British media and so on. So I thought it'd be lovely to come and have an experience myself. So this week I've done lots of work. I went to the meetings with the Greens EFA and the group meetings before the vote, where loads of issues were discussed, like Ukraine, Iran, GMOs. There were loads of issues going on there, and I've also done some research into geoengineering. I looked into cases with Latvian children in the Netherlands. It's been a very, very diverse week, and also there were also visits from the Chinese Premier and the African EU Summit. So it's been a really, really interesting week to be here.
That's quite a range of things.
Yeah.
What languages are you studying?
I'm French and Spanish.
Have you had a chance to practice at all?
Yeah, and also when I was at the group meeting, I managed to listen to the interpreters and see how stressful it actually was for them, which was really interesting. But interesting to see how they translate really quickly and interpret things within the context as well.
So you're still studying now. You may study abroad for your next year.
Yes, I have got another European experience coming up with the Erasmus programme. So.
What about long-term plans? Have you decided yet? Might you come back to Brussels and work within the EU?
It's a really good opportunity, and interpreting is something that I really want to look into. It looks a bit stressful, but I'll see how it goes, yeah.
Well, thanks for coming here. It's been really good to work with you.
Thank you.
Thanks.